What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a little different. I told you guys on Instagram, if you guys do follow me on there, that I'm trying something a little different. I'm going to try to do more makeup looks and incorporating those in my videos as well. So I'm starting on the brows, and I'm using this random LA Girl Pro pencil that I found, and it is in the color black. I do know that much. And because I have microblading, I don't really have to go over my eyebrows much. I kind of just fill in the little sparse spots. So like they say, there is a first time for everything. This is going to be my first attempt on doing the glossy eyelid type of look. So I'm going to try to do this look with using just one palette, so you guys don't have to scramble and try to find, different palettes and things like that. So to conceal or define my eyebrows, I always go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the color C13. I love this color because it's very close to my skin tone. And when I do use this to define my brows, like, I feel like it looks better, especially when I take a picture with the flash. It's not like this bright line under my brows. It just looks like so neat and clean. So that's my fave. I don't line the top of my eyebrows, so I just do the bottom and kind of pull that concealer down. And because I'm doing shadow, I just proceeded to put the same concealer all over my eyelids, and then I kind of like blended it in with a beauty blender. Now for the eye look, I am using just the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going in with this orange color and kind of just putting that on the lid space, more towards where like my eyelashes and stuff are. I'm not really good at makeup talk, but I'm trying for y'all, so bear with me. But I kind of just used a flat brush to kind of pack that on actually. Just like for a base color. Now for the next color, I'm using another orange color, a lighter orange color, oh my gosh, a lighter orange color, and I'm using that to help blend out that orange base that I just put on my lids. I kind of wanted to look like I'm just doing one color, so I don't want it all to look like I just packed a bunch of orange on there. I kind of wanted to have some type of dimension, so that's why I went in with the lighter orange to kind of help fan that out a little bit. You have this Morphe palette, you know what I'm talking about. There is a red color right next to those orange colors, and I just use that to kind of make the orange color look a little bit more deeper and more defined. And then I went back in with the blending brush with the lighter orange color and blended that in. I'm not sure why I didn't show the color when I did it, but yeah. So now I'm using this random lip gloss that I got from the beauty supply store. I can't remember who it's by, but it is a cocoa butter lip gloss, and I just used a random brush and use that to help make the glossy eyelid look. From videos that I've seen on YouTube, Instagram, and stuff like that, they just use lip gloss, so that's what I'm going in with. I couldn't find like my holographic lip gloss, so I just had to go in with the regular lip gloss, and that's basically it for the glossy eye. Now onto the base. Now for my foundation, this was my first time actually trying this foundation. This is the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation by NYX Cosmetics in the color Cappuccino. But right now I'm just putting on a little bit of LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Warm Honey to cover up my little scars from my eczema. But back to this foundation though. Like I said, this is my first time using it, so first impressions, lasting results type thing. I did spray my foundation brush with the Max Fix Plus setting spray. That's pretty much my favorite thing to do when I do my foundation and concealer. But for this foundation, I do want to say it's like kind of on the thicker side. So you want to make sure your beauty blender or brush is really damp so that you can kind of pull the product down to the spots where you didn't originally apply it, or apply it like with a flat brush and kind of like more around the face. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I had to add a little bit more a couple times. I didn't show in this clip, but I did add a little bit more. And then I'm going back in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the Warm Honey, spraying that with the MAC Fix Plus. Oh my gosh, that's a tongue twister. MAC Fix Plus. Blending that out. My food is on the way, says my phone. Sorry. But yeah, so blend that out, and we're gonna get onto the contour. For the contour, I use the same thing every single time. I use my Fenty Matchsticks in the color Truffle, and then I also have a brush to help blend that out as well. After this process, doing my contour, I always go in with the setting powder after. You guys don't necessarily have to do it in that order, but I just like to do things in that order. And I'm using the Fenty new setting powder. I'm not sure which shade I had, but I used that to set, and then I went in with the Wet n Wild Beauty Color Icon blush in the color Mellow Wine. And I'm not sure if this is a popular or unpopular opinion, but blush brings the whole look together, period. I don't care what nobody says. But after brushing off all the setting powder, I go in with my highlight on my cupid's bow, my nose, my eyebrows, and my cheeks. And y'all know I only use one highlighter, and that is from Luxe Glam Cosmetics in the color Sunset. Now for my lips today, instead of using my Old Faithful, I went in with a random brown lip eyeliner. I don't even know what kind of pencil it was, but it was a pencil to line my lips. But for the middle, I used NYX Cosmetics, their liquid suede line in the color Sandstorm, and this combo is the bomb. Now onto the hair. This hair is from Eayon Hair. This is their pre-plucked Brazilian Virgin Human Hair 360 Lace Frontal in the texture Loose Water Wave. The wig I have, I believe, is like 22 or 24 inches. As you can see, the wave pattern is there, but today I wanted to add a little extra curl. So if you do purchase this wig, it does not come looking like my end result, but I just used a wand to add a little extra curl, and I did the ponytail method. If you guys want a more detailed tutorial on the ponytail method, I will leave that video in the description box. But yeah, so just wanded it really quick, and this hair took curls bomb, like amazing. Just wait till the end. Like I said, the ponytail method video will be in the description box, so I'm not really going to talk much on this part. Just watch me style it and watch how fast it happens. Like, I go from bum to yum. Whoa. Okay, so now that the ponytail method is finished, I'm going in to catch the pieces that didn't get a chance to curl. And then after this, I'm pretty much finished. Favorite thing to do once I'm finished curling my hair is to spray the part with got to be glue, because sometimes the more flyaways be wilding. So after that, this is the finished look. The glowy eyelid, matte lip, brown, popping curled look. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you guys want more videos like this, make sure you comment below, let me know what y'all think. Love you guys, and I will see you in the next one.
Mine, I bought it, it's 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 mine, I bought it.